Deleted important messages on your realme phone by mistake? Don't panic. This video shows 4 simple ways to recover deleted SMS on realme GT, Number, C, Neo, and Narzo series. Part 1. How to recover deleted text messages in realme with Google Messages for Web. Open Google Messages for Web and sign in. Check chats, search, and archived. If messages appear, don't refresh, screenshot or copy them. Resync your phone afterward. Part 2. How to retrieve deleted text messages on realme using Google Drive. Check Google Backup for SMS. Backup new data first. Factory reset the realme phone. Sign in with the same Google account. Choose Restore from Google Backup and select the SMS backup. Part 3. How to recover deleted SMS on realme phone via mobile carrier. Contact your carrier. Verify your account. Ask about SMS records. Request a message report. Check fees or requirements. Part 4. How to retrieve deleted text messages on realme via professional tool. Requirements. Realme phone detected by Mobican Doctor for Android. USB debugging enabled. Root access usually required. Deleted SMS not overwritten. Windows or Mac computer needed. How to recover. First, download and install the program on your computer, then launch it. Connect your realme phone to the computer using a USB cable and follow the on-screen instructions to have the device recognized by the tool. Once recognized, select Messages and click Next.